Domino's is one of the most popular pizza chains in the world. It was started in 1960 in Michigan. It has grown into a global company with thousands of locations. Domino's is known for its fast delivery, tasty pizza, and wide variety of menu options. Many people choose Domino's when they want a quick and delicious meal at home. Fact 1. Domino's is known for fast delivery. Domino's became famous for its quick delivery service. In the past, they even had a 30 minutes or less delivery promise. This made them stand out from other pizza places. Today, they still focus on fast and reliable delivery, making it easy for customers to enjoy hot pizza without waiting too long. Fact 2. Domino's has many menu options. While pizza is their main item, Domino's also sells pasta, chicken wings, sandwiches, and desserts. You can customize your pizza with different crusts, sauces, cheeses, and toppings. This gives customers many choices to create the perfect meal for themselves. Fact 3. Domino's uses technology to make ordering easy. Domino's is one of the first fast food companies to use technology for ordering. You can order through their app, website, or even track your pizza in real time. This makes the experience fun and convenient because you can see exactly when your food will arrive. Domino's continues to grow and serve millions of customers around the world. Whether you're having a party, watching a movie, or just craving pizza, Domino's is a popular choice. What do you think about today's topic? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.